How to add payment method on Shein. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add payment method on your Shein app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Shein app, and then once you're in your Shein app, add the products that you want to buy to your bag. So let me add products, for example So now after you have added the products that you want to buy to your bag, go to your bag. Then here tap on checkout. Then here on the order confirmation page, here you have to scroll down and here you will see payment methods. And if you tap on more, you will see more payment methods. From here you can select the payment method you want. So I have selected, for example, debit and credit card. And then here you have to tap on place order. Then here you will be taken to the payment page. Here if you have also selected debit or credit card, enter here all the details, required details, and tap on purchase. And so this is how you can add payment method on your Shein app. Thanks for watching.